We are at Barnes & Noble with my little brother down here, and we just found the puppet stand. So you know what this means, right? We're gonna have fun with puppets today. Look at all these puppets. I mean, except for Curious George, but look at all these characters. I mean, they're pretty good puppets, but they're pretty expensive. But they have like a monkey, a rat, a dog, a butterfly, a lion. How do I even start? I mean, look at that dragon over there. All right, let's begin.
Yeah, I'm a rat. Yeah, they kicked me out of my house. See? I got my rat pack right here. You know anywhere I can stay? I'm hungry. I can pay rent. Sometimes. Hi, everybody. I'm a beautiful little butterfly.
I'm a pig. Yeah. I'm a hog. I'm hog wild. Yeah.
Have you seen my mommy? I lost my mommy.
What year is it? Where am I?
Mommy? Mommy? Peekaboo. 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 Meh. Peekaboo. I'm a lion. Roar.
Squirrel!
Mommy? Mommy?
We are the Three Stooges. I'm Mo. I'm Larry.
And I'm Curly.
Yuck, yuck, yuck.
High five.
Yeah. I just found this guy. I don't know what he is, but he's wicked cool. He's a horned owl. Look at this guy. How much is he? Oh. Oh, they're so cute. Can we buy them all, please?
No.
Please, they're all so cute and cuddly.
No.
Oh, you're no fun.
Say goodbye to them.
Goodbye.
Have you seen my mommy?